Hi, 7th graders. This is a quick tutorial video on how to use Graspable math when working on your simplifying expressions practice. So Graspable math is a Google Chrome extension that can help you manipulate the expressions that you're trying to simplify and move the different pieces around in case it's kind of hard to visually see what's going on in your expression. And it's hard, especially when we're digital, to work out those particular problems. So here's how you can use Graspable math to help you along the way. So right up here under extensions, you need to download the Graspable math sidebar. You can do that by searching for it in your Google Chrome, and once you've added it, it'll show up under your extensions. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to get a little sidebar here where I can work out my problems. So I have this problem here, 4x minus 2 plus 5y minus 6 minus 12y. And I'm going to insert that into my Graspable math sidebar. So I'm going to type in 4x minus 2 plus 5y minus 6 minus 12y. And then I'm going to insert that by clicking done. And now I have this algebraic expression here that I can easily manipulate in order to combine like terms and things like that. So the first thing I'm going to do to combine my like terms, and I'm going to look through it and see what I have similar. So I have a 4x, but there's no other x's in there. I have a minus 2 term, and then I also over here have a minus 6 term. So both of those don't have a variable attached to it. So I'm going to click on my operation symbol for my minus 2, and I'm going to bring it next to my minus 6. So I've already lined it up so they're next to each other. I can either in my head do minus 6 minus 2, or if I click on the operation in between them, Graspable math will automatically do negative 6 minus 2 and give me negative 8. So now I'm going to look through and I see I have a 5y here, and I'm going to move it with my operation symbol, and I'm going to move it next to my minus 12y. Click on the operation between it, and it simplifies it down for me. So a quick way to work on the idea of simplifying expressions without getting all jumbled up looking at it on your screen and having to deal with the different math involved, but knowing the concept of combining like terms. So the next problem that we're going to try out is 4 times the quantity x minus 2 plus x. So I'm going to insert that math expression in here. I'm going to do 4 times the quantity x minus 2 plus x. Click done to insert it. And so now I'm going to work with the idea of the distributive property. Now it's not going to tell me how to use the distributive property on its own, but I know based on what I've been learned in math class that the concept of the distributive property is taking that 4 and timesing it by everything inside of those parentheses. So I'm going to do the 4 times the x and the 4 times the negative 2. So Graspable math lets me do that. I'm going to multiply the 4 inside of it, and it works it out as 4x minus 8. Now I can use that concept of combining like terms, and I can move my plus x next to my 4x. So 4x plus x is 5x minus 8. So there's a quick little tutorial. If you need that extra help manipulating those algebraic expressions, make sure to use Graspable math in order to solve your problems. Thanks, and happy solving!